Welcome to the AliExpress Importer tutorial. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the seamless installation process of the extension and explore its fundamental features. Without further ado, let's commence our exploration of this invaluable tool for OpenCart. Commence by logging into the administrative section. Once you've successfully accessed the admin panel, navigate to the extensions menu situated on the left-hand side. From there, proceed to the Installer section. Click on the designated Upload icon located at the top right corner. Select the zip file of the extension and initiate the upload process. Then you will find the AliExpress importer listed among your extensions. Click the green plus icon at the right. Once installed, navigate to the main menu on the left-hand side and click the Extensions link. From the drop-down menu, choose Other. Locate the AliExpress importer extension and click the green plus Install icon. Following this, click on the pencil icon to access the configuration settings. Set the status to Enabled and finalize the setup by clicking the Save icon located at the top right corner. A new menu item labeled Dropshipping will now be visible at the bottom of the main left menu. Click on it to expand and explore the range of available options. Within the Dropshipping menu, you will find three essential sections: Products for managing imported products, Orders to monitor orders containing imported items, and Import for facilitating the seamless addition of new products to your inventory. In the Import section, you'll encounter the flexibility to select both currency and country. It's important to note that this information is specifically utilized to provide shipping estimate details. Additionally, the chosen currency and country data are stored for streamlined functionality with the AliExpress shipping extension, facilitating the accurate calculation of fees. Now let's proceed with importing a product. Simply visit the desired product page on AliExpress, copy its URL address, and effortlessly paste it into our importer. This streamlined process allows for quick and efficient product importation. Well, let's choose a product. How about that moving sand art? Click on the top of the bar and just copy the full URL. Paste it back to the importer, select your options, and just click Next. It's worth noting that Chrome users can enhance their experience by installing the browser extension. This feature places an Add to Vento cart button conveniently next to the Add to Cart option on every product page. With this extension, you can effortlessly compile your daily collection by clicking the button on each desired product page. Let's see how the Chrome extension enhances the overall user experience. Utilizing this extension not only streamlines your daily product collection, but also ensures that the importer retrieves accurate prices, reflecting precisely what your own account sees. Upon returning to the importer, a quick refresh is all it takes to find your curated product collection ready and waiting for the import process. Once the product is identified by the importer, you'll have access to comprehensive details, including variation names, regular and discounted prices, quantity in the seller's inventory, and more. It's worth noting that individual accounts may receive different discounts from AliExpress, leading to potential price variations. Towards the bottom of the page, you'll find shipping options, providing estimates for all available choices, along with the anticipated shipping time. Additionally, there are self-explanatory pricing options that allow you to pre-configure your pricing strategy. It's essential to highlight that while vanilla OpenCart lacks support for videos, this feature is seamlessly integrated into Vento Cart for a more immersive experience. Once you've configured all your preferences, proceed by clicking the Import button. A progress bar will emerge, and the completion time is contingent upon factors such as product size, description length, the presence of images, and overall picture count. Simply sit back and relax while the system diligently handles the importation process, ensuring a seamless experience for you. As demonstrated, our product has been successfully imported, complete with a series of styles and JavaScript enhancements embedded into its description by the importer. This strategic integration enhances the visual appeal of image and product options, seamlessly updating the product price as clients interact with different choices. Should you wish to modify any aspect of this, simply edit the product description in code mode for a customized and refined presentation. Let's proceed with creating a demo order to illustrate how it appears from the administrative perspective upon reception. When a new order is received, you can conveniently locate it in the Orders menu of the importer. This section encompasses all orders requiring fulfillment by your AliExpress suppliers. Adjacent to each order, you'll find product names listed as clickable links. Clicking on a product name directs you straight to the source page of the seller, streamlining the fulfillment process and enabling you to efficiently manage and fulfill your orders. We've covered the fundamental aspects and functionalities of the importer. Now let's delve into the shipping calculator for the importer. As previously highlighted, the shipping add-in stores pertinent information about shipping options for imported products, specifically in the chosen currency and country, during the import process. This calculator can present clients with a comprehensive array of options, inclusive of fees, date estimates, and even facilitate a multi-pack shipment option, consolidating the total shipping cost for all items in the client's cart. To install the shipping calculator, follow the same straightforward process. Begin by navigating to the Extensions menu on the left, then proceed to Installer, upload the zip file, and complete the installation. Once installed, return to the Extensions section, select Shipping from the drop-down menu, then locate the AliExpress shipping, click Install again, and access the pencil icon to configure its options. The Replace AliExpress feature facilitates white labeling for shipping options, allowing you to present your branded service to the clients. The flat rate functionality serves to consolidate a flat rate fee. When a cart contains both AliExpress imported products and third-party products, the flat rate is applied individually for each third-party product, resulting in a cumulative flat rate for third-party items alongside the specific AliExpress shipping cost. Once you have configured the settings for both the Replace AliExpress and flat rate options, ensure to set the status to Enabled. Don't forget to click the Save button to apply and save your changes. Let's proceed to create a demo order to demonstrate the functionality of the shipping add-in. As the client, select the country of the same origin as the product during the import process. This ensures that the shipping add-on can provide accurate estimates and fees for a seamless experience. Observing the process, the AliExpress shipping options seamlessly integrate into our e-commerce system. This integration empowers us to competitively price our products, minimizing shipping miscalculations, overcharges, and potential damage costs. It's a strategic enhancement for a more efficient and cost-effective operation in sales. In the administration panel, we have the capability to review the specific shipping option chosen and paid for by the client. For professional dropshippers seeking to minimize the effort in product maintenance and streamline order fulfillment, this tool proves invaluable. Thank you for choosing Vento products and being a valued member of our community. For those already part of our family, your ongoing support is truly appreciated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We're dedicated to providing tools that make your dropshipping experience seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching.